Zombie apocalypse.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel Studies Corner. Today we are going to discuss MCQs about the introduction of linguistics, what is linguistics, etc. Question number 1. What is linguistics? Option A, a study of grammar. Option B, scientific study of language. Option C, a study of morphology. Option D, scientific study of phonology. Correct answer is B, scientific study of language. Linguistics is a scientific study of language. Question number 2. How many levels linguistics has according to Hockett? हॉकेट के मुताबिक लिंग्विस्टिक्स के कितने लेवल हैं? ऑप्शन ए 4, ऑप्शन बी 2, ऑप्शन सी 3, ऑप्शन डी 5. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी 5. अकॉर्डिंग टू हॉकेट, लिंग्विस्टिक्स हैज 5 levels. Question number 3. The word linguistic has been derived from option A Latin, option B Greek, option C French, option D Spanish. Correct answer is Latin. Question number 4. Who is known as the father of linguistics? Who is known as the father of linguistics? Option A Dryden, option B Ferdinand de Saussure, option C Dr. Johnson, option D Noam Chomsky. Correct answer is option B, Ferdinand de Saussure is known as the father of linguistics. Question number 5. The study of language with reference to human psychology is called option A pragmatics, option B psycholinguistics, option C sociolinguistics, option D syntax. Correct answer is option B psycholinguistics. Study of language with reference to human psychology is called psycholinguistics. Question number 6. The study of how language is used in a society is called option A sociolinguistics, option B pragmatics, option C ethnography of communication, option D psycholinguistics. Here the correct answer is option A sociolinguistics. Study of how language is used in society is called sociolinguistics. Question number 7. Synchronic linguistics studies option A language used in older time, option B language used in given community in a given time, option C language use and scope in future, option D both and A and B. Correct answer is option B, synchronic linguistics studies language use in given community in a given time. Question number 8. Diachronic linguistics studies development of language through vocabulary, development of language through semantics, development of language through grammar, development of language through history. Diachronic linguistics studies development of language through history. Question number 9. The study of structure of words is known as option A morphology, option B phonology, option C pragmatics, option D semantics. Here the correct answer is option A morphology. Study of structure of words is known as morphology. Question number 10. The study of sounds of language is known as option A morphology, option B phonology, option C syntax, option D lingua. Here the correct answer is option B phonology. Study of sounds of language is known as phonology.